One way to edit sound is to go to the Chrome store and look for Beautiful Sound Editor. And you'll click Add to Chrome, Add App, and now you have that app in your app list. When you go to Beautiful, it's going to start up your sound program, and you'll have to allow it access to the drive. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that I already have my script approved and ready to go. Remember, in total it's supposed to be a minute or less. So you'll begin by clicking on the green button down here, and you'll record your first sentence or sentences. And as I'm talking, it's getting recorded into the sound editor. And then when I press again, it's done recording. You'll notice that this green line is still continuing on. The space bar will stop that. Now, I'd like to import one of my sounds. I'm going to click Import, choose File. It's going to go to my Google Drive, and I can come down here and I can get my crow and open that up. And I'll import the audio. Now that crow is down on a separate line, and I can drag it around. So if I drag it here, it's going to play at the same time as my talking began. If I drag it over a little bit, it's going to begin after that sound is recorded. And then I can drag this little line to the end of the crow sign and press record again. And now it's going to add more of my talking, my sentences into the story. And I'll pause. And what it did was it put this new piece of sound in its own little area. So that gives me the flexibility to move it around within the story. And I'll continue importing sounds and adding it to my story. So now maybe I'm ready to hear the car horn. I'll open that up, import that audio. And when I take a look, we got our car horn. It's at the beginning of the clip, and I want it after the next piece of talking, so I'll slide that over. And you see how these are all stacking up. Now this is a new recording here that maybe I don't want, so I'll delete that. And it just slides everything up. So now I've got my first piece of talking, my crow, my second piece of talking, my car horn, and so on.